Good morning, medical fans. Andre the Giant and the Big Show have some remarkable similarities. In their prime, their true height was about 7 feet tall. At their heaviest, each weighed in excess of 500 pounds, and the Big Show was even known as Son of Andre when he started his career. At that time, the Big Show was known as the Giant. He wore a similar singlet to Andre, and he often posed and mimicked Andre's mannerisms. It's no wonder that Andre's most well-known match was against Hulk Hogan at WrestleMania 3, and Big Show's first pro wrestling win was against the Hulkster. It made his career. Although they aren't actually father and son, they do share some very similar medical traits. Both men suffered from acromegaly. That's a condition where a tumor on the pituitary gland results in excess growth hormone. Many sufferers of this condition wind up with large hands, feet, and cranium. Take the French angel as an example. By the way, the angel was the inspiration for the character known as Shrek. Can you see the similarities? So why did Andre pass away in his 40s, while the Big Show seems healthy and agile as ever? Well, lifestyle can be a consideration. Andre was a heavy drinker, he didn't receive much medical care, and he traveled in cramped vans and airplanes. Big Show, by contrast, has his own personal tour bus, has had liposuction and a personal trainer, and lives a bit of a healthier lifestyle. However, the biggest difference may be a result of one single surgery. Early in his career, the Big Show was diagnosed with acromegaly. As a result, he had laser surgery that removed the tumor from his pituitary gland. Where Andre's bones never stopped growing, Big Show eventually stopped. That's why he looks like a relatively normally proportioned person, where Andre had so-called giant features. Nobody will ever surpass the legend of Andre the Giant. He was sort of the first of his kind, the first giant to receive worldwide exposure. Big Show's career may last longer. He may be a better wrestler, and he may be more athletic, but he will never be Andre. Leave a comment below. Who is your favorite? Are you an Andre guy, or do you love the show? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, we have new videos all the time. See you next time. Good morning, medical fans. Today's video is about the tallest wrestler of all time. His name was Gargantua. I'm Watson, your resident giant expert, and this is Bizarre Medical. Born Kurt Zea on January 12, 1913, Gargantua had the tallest build height of any wrestler in history. Promoters claimed that he was 8 foot 4 inches tall. You're watching some rare video footage of him wrestling at Royal Albert Hall. Of course, in typical wrestling fashion, his height and weight were extremely exaggerated. Those same promoters also said he weighed 50 stone. That translates to about 700 pounds. And most people would argue that he was nowhere near 700 pounds. The Gargantuan Man was brought to the US after World War II by wrestling agents in an effort to help revive the aging business. However, the legend of Gargantua began during World War II, where he was known as Germany's largest soldier. After the war, he worked in various professions, but wrestling wound up being his calling.
Gargantua can stand so much and no more before he loses his patience, and Strangler nearly loses his head. I'll huff and I'll puff, and blow me down, he won't go down.
Various websites and publications have estimated his real height to be somewhere around the 7'2" mark. That puts him below Giant Gonzalez in actual height, but slightly taller than the Big Show, Khali, and even Andre the Giant's estimated true height. What do you think? Was he taller than Andre? Leave us a comment below. Which giant wrestler should we cover next? Another man billed at 8 foot tall is Silo Sam. Would you like to see more about Big Sam? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, we've got new videos all the time. Adios.